continue. Number 2, placing the food in a daily dish. All the food boiled in a meat pot, one may not. One second. Although the food boiled in a meat pot may not be eaten together with the dairy food, the food may be subsequently placed, even while hot, onto the dairy dish. However, one should not initially boil the food in a meat pot with intention to place it on a dairy dish while hot. One should not boil water for tea in Ben Yama meat pot if tea is to be served in a dairy cup. If the water was boiled already, it may be used in a dairy cup. Okay, so let's read it one more time and we're going to explain. It's getting a little complicated, but it's not so complicated. So let's try to explain. Placing food in a dairy dish. So now we're talking about clean dish, right? It's no actual dairy involved. Although the food boiled in a meat pot may not be eaten together with dairy foods, as we said, period, continue, the food may be subsequently placed even while hot in a dairy dish. Okay. So commentary, Remad 95.2 says, one should not pour liquids cooked in a meat pot directly into dairy dish. Okay. They must first pour into the second meat pot dish and then into the dairy dish. If the liquid was poured from Ben Yama meat pot, Ben Yama means today's day, onto dairy dish or a reverse, Rav should be consulted. Okay. I'm not sure what somebody who would do it, but it's possible. Okay. So one more time, our spaghetti was boiled in a meat pot, right? And then it was put even while hot into the dairy dish. Okay. However, one should not initially boil the food in a meat pot with intention to place it on a dairy dish while hot. So through the heat, the taste transfers through the heat, as we said before, and plus through the liquid and stuff like that. Okay. So initially, one should not plan to eat the spaghetti from the dairy dish. Okay. One should not boil water. So that's okay. So we finished. So technically, if it's cold, there is no problem. So if you ran out of dishes, or I don't know what happened, you have only dairy dish and this spaghetti that was cooked in the meat pot. So technically, like if it's not very hot, technically, if it was not your plan, you can eat it from this dairy plate. Okay. One should not boil water in a tea in Binyama meat pot. So not in a teapot, but in a Binyama. Binyama means that's a pot that was used today, right? And for the tea to be served with in a dairy cup. Okay, so it's like almost same example with a hot plate. If the water was boiled already, it may be used in a dairy cup. So, but after the fact, so it was not his intention, but that's the only spot available, and this is the only cup available. That was not his intention. So after the fact, we can apply this leniency. Once again, it's leniency, not barnat.